Good evening, traders. My apologize for late some of the day. I was trading till now, very long day. But at first, I want to read something because I see some kind of kindergarten in our group, and at 10th of July, I wrote the rules as channel description. Point 2 is. Not only uploading the final screen, yes, please explain all shares, and this can be helpful, blah blah blah. Let's learn together. Simple shares are useless. So it means that even if you just apply 1% of my strategy to your style, just to get more confidence, we are all here to learn, and it is good to see even few words. What did you see here? Even if on chart are different ways of trading, it is always good to explain the trade. So this is chart for everyone. I don't want to really make two channels. It's even more work, and this is making mess. I only mean to explain all trades with my strategy, with your strategy, no matter. Please explain. Let's start with the chart. Today, for the first time, I shared my zones. I hope that this is easy to see. Here's my supply. This is the 1 hour time frame. So at first I was looking for a sell because price was already on this supply. Here, just in case, I drew the institutional level, the round number 37, and here are my demand zones. This one on 1 hour is very big, so I decided to drew it like M15 is also very good leg out. Price was pushed very high. There were two close to each other zones. Difference was like just 5 pips, and here we had the equal lows above the zone. Okay, this is just the first thing. Today I tried to do something new with the footprint chart. I mean that I was drawing kind of my own heat map to mark up the levels where probably are the big pending orders without using any heat map, the book map or anything else, just to draw my own zones. And these are all the golden boxes. Yeah, so here where was the beginning of Frankfurt session, price was on the supply. Let's see on the footprint. On top of this candle, they tried still to buy. Yes, so I drew kind of cluster above the potential level that maybe price can want to reach. And this is here my box. But it wasn't reached later. Just half hour later, price came here with very high volume. So of course it made my first setup invalid. Here was really nice price action. This move here with the shot to the up looks like compression, but the demand here holded the price. It was no break of structure. Just price decided to maybe fill my drone the pending orders. And you can see this on the footprint. Someone starts really to sell those activation of these orders above, because they maybe tried to buy for this. Then still some players tried to buy. So I drew another line of maybe potential sell pending orders just above this cluster, because price didn't reach this. They tried to buy on closure of the candle. And it was my another golden box. This pattern looks like a flag with break of structure, so it could be read by retail traders as a break of structure and invitation to take a buy. But we're on the supply zone. I believe that here are pending orders and price lost the volume. Here we can see big difference in volume, and I jumped into this trade as I like to test my new things on as live. I need a maybe punch on my face to say oh no, it was really wrong, it was stupid. But I really see the logic on this new kind of reading the footprint. For me, it was everything here was logic. The volume decreased, all the pending orders, the sell were activated. We were on the main 1 hour supply, very good. And I was aiming for the previous demand zone, as here. The orange line is also the lower level, lower edge of the daily supply. And it was very nice, fast, 15 pips, which I caught without any stress, any bigger pullbacks, nothing wrong. So my main focus was the first sell because we were on the supply. Then I drew another orange box because when price came here, also on the footprint appeared big buy orders, and it was here. You can see price was coming up, and on bottom of the week they really tried to push the price higher. So my interpretation of this move was that price here kissed the daily edge of supply, but maybe some players wanted to sell directly once again from the 1 hour supply to get a bit better price. But it didn't happen. I just left this to observe, to still analyze if this can be true. But I also see that longer the pending orders here, this could be even later just cancelled. As we can also do this, as we can cancel our limit orders. And then price was really falling to the 1 hour demand zone. It could be very good trade for me, even the 1 to the 15. But yeah, I don't like pullbacks. I'm taking what's mine. I like fast trades, just my personality. And today I didn't find any easy imbalances. It's maybe caused by the bank holiday in USA. Yeah, USA, and the price action was boring, low, very slow, and the only one imbalance where I maybe would join the sellers was here. I found it on footprint on M1. The price was losing volume, but also the measured candle wasn't with so big volume. Yes, I didn't feel confidence to take a sell from here between the zones, and especially that I thought that maybe price can go here. This was creating the equal highs. Nothing nice for me. Then also I realized on M15 that this is here the fresh made supply, and price were doing here the equal highs. So really was very possible to see the spike to the upside, and I left this setup. What was then? Price made a deep invader on the 1 hour demand zone. What does it mean? That probably price want to reach the next one demand. Yes, they were very close to each other. It's like 5 pips, and then on bottom here was placed another big sell order. So I marked this as a golden level because I found here logic. If the big guys found here the equal lows above the demand, they tried to push it down there, yeah, to get fueled, to invite sellers, more sellers. So I see kind of logic and good explanations on this, drawing these zones, especially that there were really 2 demand zones. This move here looks like the compression but without push to the up. So for me it was a sign that really the sellers are weak, they are not interested in selling. But I missed all buy setups today. I didn't find any correct logic imbalance to join the market. Even here we see the zigzag move as a compression, but also without last push, price dropped. But I know that this zigzag was into the supply. with this highs, nothing was taken, nothing was filled. So I also didn't join the sellers. Especially it was for me no man's land as well. Even if he was the supply, the price was too far from this area and from the main just to take a sell. Just my own rules, of course. Really, guys, you are taking trades, okay, good. I am just how was the work? I am very picky about the setups. Then was another rally, very good one. Took this compression, the unfinished one, took these highs and came very high volume. Here we have also equal highs, another one, and good volume was played. I found here on the M1, at first on M5, sorry, that someone put here above this price action, this M5 candles, the big buy order, which was later filled, and I was very happy to see this. Let's check what time was that. It was 17:10. Let's go to the 1 minute. Faster. It should be very short video. Yes, it was here. I call this cheesy candle, right? A lot of imbalances, so really potential of liquidity grab, and the big orders which I marked here on the M5 were filled. Price came down, left imbalance on M1 candle as here, 7 sell contracts, no buy contracts, and it was filled later. I would join this setup. I know that Jeffrey took this, very good one. I marked this, could be really nice. Nice sell to the first demand on the way, and it could be like 15 pips, my favorite one distance. So very good, really filled the orders which I would mark. And then I had the alert on TradingView, honestly, and I see that price came here to my area where probably could be the orders, the liquidity, because of two zones close to each other. I found here the equal lows above my dream zone, so price was pushed down with my plan, and I joined the market here, exactly on this one candle here, 2032. I joined the market, and it wasn't nice, it wasn't smart. I just wanted to check still the reading of footprint, if this way is correct. I was almost at break even. I gave more space because I didn't found on the way any demand, fresh made demand to put my stop loss lower. Just here when was the push, I decreased my stop loss from 3 pips to just 1 pip of stop loss below this demand. It was nice momentum, but I was not happy to see the price sitting back on my entry. Then I moved my stop loss here because it looks like push to the upside above equal lows, and I was kicked in here. This one candle kicked me out in profits. I got just 1 to the 1, but I'm happy that I tested this live. I wasn't scared. I was aiming very bad, very low to this broken level, because I see here could be some imbalance, yes, between this week to this. Not field distance, it was break of structure, and it was just 9 pips. I was aiming 1 to the 3. I'm not doing this mostly, but I was really curious when I was waiting whole day for the true buy to see the buy movements. Something is happening here right now, but I was kicked. Yes, I 1 to the 1. I'm just testing live some new view, and overall I finished the day with 1 to the 6. Not bad. I'm really happy. It's just patience game. If I was here just 3 hours after London and I decided to wait for this lower demand because price more than likely could go here, and it came, so I took a buy I was in front of computer. I saw the alert and not so smart. Not any advice to trade so late. I'm just curious where price can go. So really, I was checking the footprint and I didn't find any imbalances. I was just confused after this first moment why the price didn't came here back. Maybe really the bank holiday changed the plans for everyone. So as a summary, this trade was for me very logic. The first one, the 15 pips, and this what Jeffrey took was very nice, correct, perfect feeling, perfect liquidity grab, really strong move. A lot of volume was played here. Nice, very nice trade, nice opportunity. And yeah, that's it. 15 minutes, my record. Best time of the summary. See you tomorrow, guys. Trade safe.